The big mistakes people make with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a time-tested natural remedy widely used for digestive support, blood sugar regulation, increased energy, and even appetite and weight management. But despite its popularity, many people unknowingly make critical mistakes that can reduce its effectiveness. In this video, we'll cover the most common apple cider vinegar mistakes and show you exactly how to use it properly to get the best results. Mistake 1. Taking the wrong dosage. To gain any real health benefit from apple cider vinegar, whether it's improved digestion, better mood, more energy, or enhanced sleep, you need to consume at least 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. The active ingredient, acetic acid, plays a vital role by stimulating natural stomach acid production, pancreatic enzyme release, and bile flow from the liver. It also supports gut health and produces ketones, which serve as fuel for colon cells and may even benefit brain function and blood sugar regulation. Mistake 2. Using gummies. Instead, apple cider vinegar gummies may be convenient, but they are largely ineffective. You'd need to consume nearly an entire bottle just to match the potency of 1 tablespoon of liquid vinegar. Even worse, these gummies are often loaded with sugars and fillers like maltodextrin, which can spike blood sugar and negate the very benefits you're aiming for. Mistake 3. Using the wrong type of vinegar. Not all apple cider vinegar is created equal. Many commercial brands are diluted or pasteurized, which destroys the beneficial enzymes and proteins known as the mother. These components are essential for gut and liver health. For best results, always choose raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with at least 6% acetic acid. This supports digestion, boosts your body's acid balance, and improves blood sugar control. Mistake 4. Not diluting it. One of the most common errors is drinking apple cider vinegar straight. With a pH between 2.5 and 3, it's extremely acidic. While this acidity is beneficial for digestion, it can irritate or burn the throat if consumed undiluted. Always mix your vinegar with a large glass of water before drinking to protect your throat and esophagus. Mistake 5. Drinking it at the wrong time. There's no single rule for when to take apple cider vinegar, but timing can make a big difference depending on your goal. If you want better digestion, take 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in water about 15 to 20 minutes before meals. This enhances the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently and improving nutrient absorption. It may also increase satiety by boosting hormones like leptin, helping you feel full longer. On the other hand, if you're aiming to improve your sleep, some people find success by drinking a diluted dose of apple cider vinegar about 30 minutes before bedtime. The theory is that it helps stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, which prevents cortisol spikes that can wake you during the night. Choose your timing based on what you want to achieve, but consistency is key. Mistake 6. Mixing apple cider vinegar with sugary drinks. It's no secret that apple cider vinegar has a sharp, tangy flavor that can be hard to enjoy, but trying to mask it by mixing it with sugary drinks like juice or soda defeats the purpose entirely. The core benefit of apple cider vinegar comes from its acetic acid, which helps lower blood sugar, reduce insulin levels, and improve insulin sensitivity. When you pair it with high-sugar beverages, you're introducing the very substance it's meant to regulate, glucose, into your system. This cancels out its blood sugar-lowering effects and can lead to energy crashes or cravings. For best results, mix your apple cider vinegar with water or herbal tea and avoid sweetened drinks altogether. Mistake 7. Drinking it without a straw. When consumed directly, the acidity of apple cider vinegar can come into prolonged contact with your teeth, leading to enamel erosion over time. To avoid this, drink it through a straw so the liquid bypasses your teeth and goes straight to the throat. If you don't have a straw, be sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your dental health. Mistake 8. Expecting immediate results. Apple cider vinegar isn't a quick fix or a pharmaceutical drug. It's a natural product made by fermenting apple juice into acetic acid. Because of this, the benefits are often gradual rather than instant. While some people may notice improved digestion or energy within a few days, more significant changes, such as improved sleep patterns, better blood sugar balance, or gradual weight loss, can take 10 to 14 days or longer. Be patient and use it consistently each day. Track your body's response and, if possible, share your experience with others. Every small step counts when building healthier habits. Mistake 9. Not changing your diet. Perhaps the most common and counterproductive mistake is believing that vinegar alone is enough, without making any changes to your diet. Apple cider vinegar can enhance your health, but it won't cancel out the negative effects of a poor, ultra-processed diet. To get the best results, pair vinegar use with nutrient-dense, whole foods, especially those rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K, and omega-3 fatty acids. That means cutting back on refined flours, sugary snacks, and processed foods. Instead, focus on leafy greens, organic eggs, grass-fed meats, healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. This combination can amplify vinegar's benefits and help your body truly thrive. Mistake 10. Skipping apple cider vinegar during fasting. If you're someone who practices intermittent fasting for health benefits, as I do, you may be surprised to learn that using a small amount of apple cider vinegar during your fasting window won't break your fast. In fact, it can be incredibly supportive. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood sugar and encourages bile flow, which supports the natural detoxification processes of the liver and gallbladder during fasting. A splash in a glass of water in the morning can help you stay balanced and energized throughout your fast. Of course, this is general guidance, not medical advice. Always speak with your healthcare provider if you're unsure how it fits into your personal routine. Mistake 11. Believing it will fix your liver. While apple cider vinegar is widely praised for supporting liver function, it's important to understand what it can and can't do. The acetic acid it contains may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing liver cells to produce more energy efficiently. It also helps promote the release of antioxidants, like glutathione, a key player in your body's natural detox system. However, apple cider vinegar is not a cure-all. It won't regenerate damaged liver cells or reverse advanced liver disease. It's a useful supplement, but not a standalone fix. Keep your expectations realistic. Mistake 12. Taking it without supporting minerals. Apple cider vinegar can help your body absorb minerals more efficiently, but if you're already deficient in key nutrients like potassium or magnesium, its benefits might plateau. These minerals are crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance, supporting nerve and muscle function, and improving overall metabolic health. If you're low on them, it can hinder the full effectiveness of apple cider vinegar. To maximize results, support your body with mineral-rich foods such as leafy greens, spinach, arugula, avocados, Brussels sprouts, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate in moderation. These nutrient-dense choices work synergistically with apple cider vinegar to enhance digestion, energy production, and long-term wellness. When not to use apple cider vinegar. There are a few situations where vinegar use might not be appropriate. If you're regularly taking antacids or acid-blocking medications, vinegar may counteract their effects. Since vinegar increases stomach acidity and these medications reduce it, using both at once can be counterproductive. In this case, consult a functional medicine practitioner. Also, if vinegar causes burning or discomfort in your stomach, you may not need it at this time. Those with stomach ulcers or gastritis may find vinegar too irritating. In those cases, it's better to focus on healing the stomach lining first, with remedies like zinc carnosine, a well-researched Japanese compound, cabbage juice or wheatgrass, spirulina, or other soothing superfoods. You can try reintroducing vinegar once your gut is stronger. What if you can't tolerate the taste? If you find the taste of apple cider vinegar hard to handle, there are effective and tasty alternatives. Try making a simple salad dressing. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle it over salads, meats, or roasted veggies. The healthy fat smooths out the vinegar's tang while preserving its benefits. You can also consider these alternatives. Digestive enzyme supplements with betaine HCl, ox bile or bile salts to support fat digestion, Swedish bitters, a traditional herbal tonic that stimulates digestion, fresh ginger tea, which promotes bile flow and soothes the stomach. Possible side effects of apple cider vinegar. Generally, apple cider vinegar is safe and well tolerated when used properly. But some people may experience side effects, especially if they have delayed gastric emptying or are sensitive to increased stomach acid. Also, if you're on medications like diuretics, insulin, or blood pressure pills, talk to your doctor first. Vinegar can alter how your body processes certain drugs. Some people also report mild headaches when starting apple cider vinegar. If that's the case, reduce the amount you're using. Start with 1 teaspoon instead of a full tablespoon and build up slowly. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you great health, happiness, and lasting wellness.